Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of September 11th, 2024, our system has categorized SoFi as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, registering a gain of 23.26% since we recommended purchasing SoFi 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.01% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system forecasts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the most recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next move, as it could take either direction. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an advantageous selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $9.01 would initially signal a stronger upward momentum. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 15.84% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decline of 7.36% to an increase of 15.90%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of approximately negative 7.49% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between a decline of 39.27% and a slight decrease of 0.426%. This suggests a price range between $5.47 and $8.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. On the last trading day, SoFi's stock price increased by 4.4%, moving from $8.63 to $9.01. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock showed a fluctuation of 5.1%, with a low of $8.63 and a high of $9.07. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen on 7 occasions and has appreciated by 13.33% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also increased on the last day, a positive indicator, with 2 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 42 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $377,460,000. Looking back over the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $10.49, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the stock price stands 14.11%, or $1.48, below the 52-week high, and 68.12%, or $19.25, below the all-time high of $28.26, which occurred on February 1st, 2021. SoFi Technologies has been in the spotlight recently, particularly as the S&P 500 reached record highs, reflecting a robust overall market sentiment. The stock closed at $8.63, showing a modest gain, which is notable amid broader market fluctuations. Analysts have highlighted SoFi's growing potential, especially as its member base surged by over 40% year over year in 2023, indicating strong retention and the effective cross-selling of services. The expansion of SoFi's credit card offerings with the launch of the SoFi Everyday Cash Rewards and SoFi Essential Cards underscores its commitment to deepening customer relationships. This move not only enhances its portfolio, but also aligns with the company's vision of becoming a comprehensive financial services provider. Additionally, SoFi's stock recently experienced a technical breakout, with its 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day average, a pattern known as a golden cross. This indicator often signals a bullish trend and may attract further investor interest. In the short term, these developments could fuel positive sentiment and upward momentum in SoFi's stock price. Over the long term, continuing to surpass earnings expectations and expand its product offerings may solidify SoFi's position as a leading player in the fintech space, potentially driving sustainable growth and investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SOFI a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SOFI a market perform grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned SOFI an underperform grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SOFI an equal weight grade with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SOFI a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, offering a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support will be provided by the levels at $8.45 and $7.84. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and thus far it has risen by 28.53%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 38 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 32 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.54 and $7.53. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $7.54. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.53 and $7.33. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 440 cents between high and low, or 5.1%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts currently estimate earnings to be 4 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could rise rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and utilize volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, SoFi faces its first support level at $7.54. If this support holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi, derived from multiple analyst sources, is classified as a sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same date, Eric Schopenhauer also performed an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Kelly Keough conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jeremy Rischel executed an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September 2024, Derek J. White carried out an insider sale of 148,403 shares of restricted stock unit. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 50.218. In total, insiders purchased 8,725,446 shares and sold 27,713,307 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.69, indicating a decline of 3.54%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, suggesting a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 25 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi exhibits several positive indicators. However, we believe these signals alone do not justify a buying recommendation. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for additional developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, downgrading it from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 14th of October, we anticipate that SoFi will open lower, down approximately 10 cents, starting at $8.90. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.